You are not lazy. You are not unmotivated. You are not weak. You are sleep deprived. You drag yourself through the day with caffeine. You try to focus, but your mind drifts. You promise yourself that tomorrow will be better. But tomorrow feels exactly like today because your body is running on fumes. What you call fatigue is not a lack of willpower. It is a chemical deficit, a hormonal collapse, a neurological cry for help. Your brain is screaming for recovery, and you are muting it with noise, sugar screens, and speed. The world teaches you to ignore sleep, to grind, to push through, to conquer the night. But every time you do that, you pay the price in focus, in energy, in testosterone, in life force. Sleep is not just a break. It is not downtime. It is where your body repairs, where your hormones reset, where your mind sorts through chaos and stores clarity. Sleep is not a weakness. It is a weapon, and most people have no idea how broken their sleep is. They lie in bed for hours and think it counts. But time in bed is not sleep, not rest. It is not recovery. It is illusion. If you wake up tired, something is wrong. If you need 3 alarms to get moving, something is off. If your brain feels dull, your emotions unstable, your body heavy, that is not normal. That is not aging. That is broken sleep. This is not about getting more sleep. This is about getting better sleep, deeper sleep, real sleep. The kind that makes you wake up feeling like fire is moving through your blood. The kind that gives you clarity before your first sip of coffee. The kind that makes your mind sharp, your mood steady, and your body feel alive. This is your sleep toolkit, built from real neuroscience, grounded in rhythm, designed for performance, created for the kind of man who refuses to live at half capacity any longer. No more surviving, no more dragging. It is time to reset your nights so your days can finally begin. Let us build your sleep system from the ground up. Your first battle is light. Every screen you look at after the sun goes down is a signal to your brain to stay awake. Your eyes tell your brain it is still daytime. And your brain responds by blocking melatonin, the very hormone that prepares your body for sleep. To reset this, you must control your light. As evening comes, you lower the brightness of your world. You dim the lights in your room. You wear blue light blockers if needed. You stop staring into your phone before bed. You give your eyes darkness so your brain can build sleep. The next weapon is temperature. Your body needs to cool to fall into deep rest. If your room is too warm, your brain will fight to stay alert. It will keep you in shallow sleep. You will toss, turn, and wake up more tired than before. Keep your room cool. Keep your feet warm. Open a window. Use a fan. Signal to your body that the day is over, that it is time to go inward, into stillness. Then comes rhythm. Sleep is not just about hours. It is about timing. Your body has a clock. It runs on light, food, and movement. If you sleep at different times each night, you break that clock. And when your clock is broken, your sleep becomes unpredictable, fragile, weak. Go to bed at the same time. Wake up at the same time, even on weekends. Train your body like a machine. Rhythm builds strength. Chaos destroys it. Next, you remove the enemies of sleep. the caffeine that hides in afternoon drinks, the sugar that spikes your blood before bed, the alcohol that sedates you but steals your deep rest, the arguments and overthinking that flood your brain with cortisol. You shut down stimulation. You turn off the news. You silence the noise. You build a wind-down routine that feels safe, quiet, and slow. You give your body permission to let go. Movement also matters. The more you move during the day, the better your sleep at night. Not excessive training, just steady, real movement. Walks, lifting, stretching. When your body is used, it recovers deeply. You stop eating late. You give your digestive system time to clear. A full stomach before bed keeps your body working when it should be resting. You eat your last meal early, and you let your system settle before you close your eyes. You make your room sacred. No work, no screens, no drama. Just rest, darkness, corkness, silence. You make your bedroom a cave, a temple, a recovery chamber. And your brain begins to trust it. You track how you feel, not how many hours you spend in bed. Do you wake up with energy? Do you feel alert without needing a stimulant? Does your mind feel clear before sunrise? That is the real sleep test. That is the only metric that matters. If the answer is no, then ask yourself, what habit is stealing your recovery? What input is confusing your system? What rhythm are you breaking? You fix one thing at a time, one night at a time, one signal at a time. And with each adjustment, your body begins to remember what deep sleep feels like, what full recovery feels like, what life is supposed to feel like. This is the Sleep Toolkit. Not pills, not hacks, just alignment, discipline, rhythm, restoration, and the courage to make sleep a priority, not a punishment.